Oh wow, this tastes like Spain.
This tastes like China.
Does it? What's up everyone, I hope you're all doing amazing. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere with my father Thomas Hoffman in Miami, Florida, our hometown. And today is my father's birthday. He's 60 years old today. So I'm taking him to McDonald's and we're gonna try 4 international menu items. At the moment, there's 4 international menu items at 50 McDonald's across South Florida in Miami-Dade and in Broward County. The 4 items are the Grand McExtreme Bacon Burger from Spain, the BBQ McShaker Fries from Malaysia, the McSpicy Chicken from Hong Kong, and the Stroopwafel McFlurry from the Netherlands. Okay, are you ready to eat that? You excited?
I'm ready.
What are you most excited about?
Oh, definitely the Hong Kong.
The Hong Kong
chicken.
I'm actually more excited about the Malaysian fries because I've been to Malaysia and the seasoning, the spices they have there are just insane because the mix between the Indian.
You never taken me to Malaysia.
I know, not yet. Soon. Well, happy birthday. Let's go to McDonald's. You excited?
Super excited. That Hong Kong chicken sounds great. We want to have the 4 international.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what we want.
The 4, yeah.
All 4.
Yeah, so Grand Extreme,
Chicken, and you want to try
the McSpicy Chicken, the Stroopwafel McFlurry, and the BBQ McShaker Fries.
Okay.
You gotta put the fries in here, put the season on it and shake.
Okay, perfect.
Okay?
Give us a bag or something? Can I have a little glass? Here we go. Haven't been this excited about McDonald's in a long time.
We're here at our local McDonald's in South Miami, the neighborhood where I grew up. And we got the 4 international items. We actually only got 3 because one of them, the ice cream machine's broken, so we don't have the Stroopwafel McFlurry. We got, what is it?
It's a mocha frappe.
A mocha frappe. It's unfortunate, but at least we have 3 other items. And I guess the first one we should jump on is the most interesting one is the fries from Malaysia. The BBQ McShaker Fries. So the way it works, right? We have to do this, right? You have to put it in there.
You have to put it in the bag.
Okay.
And you have to sort of
So just dump it in the bag?
dump this in and shake it.
Okay, so dump it all in?
Yeah.
Wow. Ooh, that seasoning is potent.
I think they brought this from Malaysia.
Yeah. No, for sure. I mean, it's like, ooh. So you have to do this. And let's see. Oh, wow. Do we have anywhere to put it? Here we go. It's potent. It's potent. Ooh. Smells great. Look at that.
Malaysian food is spicy?
Yeah, because that in Malaysia, it's a big mix of Malay, Chinese, and Indian people. So the cultures fuse together. And here we go. You want to try it?
Sure. Yeah. From you or from me?
Whatever.
I had this taste before.
It's not too spicy. It is like a barbecue spice. That's what it is, right?
What if we put a little barbecue on it? Just
On it, or just like dip it?
Just dip it. Just try it like that. See what happens.
Everything's better with barbecue. Maybe some more. There we go.
And you eat them like 3 at a time? Is that your style?
I always do that.
Let's see.
Yeah, doing one in the mouth is not. One's not the way I do it. I do like a big amount. Good, no?
Different twist. But it's great with barbecue.
It does have an Asian taste to it. Cool spices. So the next 2 things are the Grand Extreme Bacon Burger and the McSpicy Chicken. McSpicy Chicken.
Let me help you out.
Extreme. Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Here we go. Ready?
Ready.
Let's go. Oh wow. This tastes like Spain.
This tastes like China.
Does it? It's moist, crunchy with the bacon. You got onions in here. Oh,
Manchego?
No, Gouda cheese. It's a pretty amazing burger. And it's also, what else does it have? Has salsa McBacon. What's salsa McBacon? The McSpicy Chicken from Hong Kong.
Good, no?
Very good.
It really tastes Chinese. It's got a Chinese taste.
What does it have? Is this mayo or is it alioli?
I have no idea. Is there such thing as mayo or alioli in China? No.
Oh, but it's nice. It has something.
It's got a little
like
spice in it.
A little like kick right there. It's amazing. I'm all about chicken sandwiches. This is a must.
Let's see. Well, you left me. Let's see. I can see the Spanish look on the cheese already.
Right? I'm surprised they went with Gouda over Manchego. It has the taste of Spain, right?
It was probably easier to get here than the Manchego, but it's good.
My favorite thing was the chicken sandwich for me.
Chicken sandwich, definitely.
Yeah. I guess this is in.
I mean, they're all good, but the chicken sandwich was really, really good.
This is not international, but we're not gonna waste it, right? Oh wow. Oh, it's like coffee.
Was it a coffee? No,
It's a coffee. It's a coffee. It's like a frappuccino.
It's somewhere between a coffee and a milkshake.
It's like a slushy, like a chocolate slushy. I guess I have to come back for that. The Netherlands Stroopwafel.
Or we'll go to the Netherlands together. We'll just fly there.
Yeah, right.
Get the real deal.
One of the ladies here was saying that the Stroopwafel McFlurry is like out of this world. It's like a McFlurry on steroids because it has like a more of a creamy, like a cheesecake type of thing. She was saying.
Why don't we stop at another McDonald's and try to get it?
Yeah, we don't know which one.
Yeah, there's gotta be
only
one close.
50,
There's always one close by. So
right,
eat
guys.
this. You should eat this.
Oh, I think so.
Don't let it go. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't want to.
Don't let it go to waste.
Oh my god. It's pretty good actually. I mean, I've eaten a lot of burgers this week, so.
This has been Burger Week for you. Like Shark Week. This is David's Burger Week.
Oh my god. I gotta work out this week. I have to.
I think we should go back to the gym now.
We just came from the gym. Is this for his birthday?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're
Thank you so
welcome.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good one.
All right. Happy 60.
Thank you. Thank you, David. Love you.
Love you too.
Love you. So let's be nice to the community and keep everything clean.
Okay, so that's it. We tried the international items here at McDonald's in South Miami. I love the sandwich, the chicken sandwich from Hong Kong. That was the best one. That was the best one. But you know, the only thing we didn't try was the what is it? The Strudel McFlurry. The mixed strudel something. They say that one's really good as well.
Is it Irish or where?
No, it's Netherlands.
Netherlands.
And what else is really good? I think the fries are pretty decent. I mean, it was just a little spices, something very, I guess, Malaysian. And then the
But you gotta try them. They're good. They're worth trying. They're worth trying.
I mean, if you're in,
Something's going on.
if you're in Miami-Dade County or Broward County, definitely call up your local McDonald's and see if they have the international items. It's definitely worth a try. And if you love this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel, and happy birthday, Dad.
Thank you.
You're only 60 once.
Exactly.